Wait! Before you scroll through listings or book a showing, there's one move that can give you a serious edge in today's housing market: getting pre-approved for a mortgage. It shows sellers you're not just dreaming, you're ready. And in a competitive market, that could be the difference between landing your dream home or losing it to another buyer. Mortgage pre-approval is when a lender reviews your credit, income, debts, and assets and gives you a letter stating how much you're qualified to borrow. Unlike pre-qualifications, which is just an estimate, pre-approval is based on verified financial information. That makes it a lot more powerful when you're making offers. Pre-approval tells your real estate agent, and more importantly, the seller, that you're a serious buyer. You've already done the financial legwork. It helps you stay focused on homes within your budget and gives you more confidence when it's time to negotiate, especially if you're competing with other offers. Getting pre-approved is usually a quick process, but you'll need a few things handy: recent pay stubs and W-2s or your tax returns, bank statements and asset documentation, employment history and credit information, a valid government-issued ID, and your social security number. The more organized you are, the faster it goes. So, how long does the pre-approval take? Some lenders can issue a pre-approval the same day, while others may take a few days, depending on how busy they are and the verification needed. Most lenders also offer an online application, which can speed things up even more. Once approved, your letter is typically good for 60 to 90 days. Let's clear up some things. First, pre-approval is not a guarantee. Final approval still depends on things like your home appraisal and underwriting review. Second, pre-approval isn't permanent. If you change jobs, rack up debt, or miss a payment, it could affect your approval status. And finally, not all pre-approvals are the same. Loan programs, rates, and maximum loan amounts can vary by lender, so it's worth shopping around. Getting pre-approved early gives you time to address any credit issues, gather paperwork, and know exactly where you stand. It also means you'll be ready to make an offer the moment the right house comes along. Pre-approval helps you set expectations, avoid surprises, and act with confidence. Mortgage pre-approval isn't just a nice to have, it's your first real step towards becoming a homeowner. It's usually fast and can give you the competitive edge you need to secure your next home. For more tips on getting pre-approved and navigating the home buying process, visit mortgageresearch.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more mortgage tips, and don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to a great start on buying your home.